Hi, I'm Mohamed, the co-owner of ASL Mechanical. We specialize in mechanical contracting. We offer a full range of HVAC services from design and build, retrofit, installation, repairs, maintenance. Since our founding in 2017 by Mr. Eric Soto, we have grown tremendously. And under the leadership of our third partner, Mr. Montez Salim, now we are operating in Georgia, Florida, South Carolina, Alabama, Louisiana, and Texas. We are currently involved in several high-profile projects, such as the City of Atlanta fifth floor renovation, the Florence Medical Center, as well as the Hyundai Motor Factory in Montgomery, Alabama. We also build a Love's travel stop in New Iberia, Louisiana. The partnership with Brasfield and Gorrie has been truly rewarding experience for us. Working along with the project team, allowing us to contribute and show our skills and our experiences in the projects, and also our both commitment to excellence and also delivering projects on time and on budget. So now the EQUIP program has been really also a game changer for us. As I said, I mean, the program really, I believe, was truly straightforward, was to focus more on getting us qualified and also knowing our capacity. So that also allows us to be in front of projects that within our size across multiple cities. So we also taken advantage of the opportunity to network and as well as to be take advantage of the different events and different mentorship programs. So that has been really a good help for us. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for believing in us. So hopefully the goal is to continue performing. We know we are as good as our last performance. So our goal is to continue providing great projects, as I said. So, and I like to encourage other minority contractors to take advantage of the program. So if they like to grow and scale. So again, thank you for the opportunity and looking forward to working with Brasfield and Gorrie in the future.